To transfer data from your iPhone to Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can use the MI Mover app that you already have installed on your Redmi Note 15 Pro and Pro Plus. So this is the app that I'm talking about. We can just open it. Now on our iPhone, we will have to go to the App Store and we need to search for the MI Mover. Now for some reason, the name of the app is not translated, so you will most likely see this Chinese name of the app. But that is okay, you just have to install it and we can open it. Now on our iPhone, we want to select that this is our old phone, our old device, and on our Redmi, we want to select that this is our new phone, and of course we want to select Apple in here. Grant all the necessary permissions, and you will generate this QR code, and you need to scan it with your iPhone. So the app should actually open the QR code scanner, and then you should be able to join to the hotspot that was created by your Redmi smartphone. Now we are connecting, so we just need to wait for the connection to work. There we go. After that, we can choose what data we want to transfer. So we can transfer, for example, images, videos, contacts, and calendar events. You may notice that you cannot transfer apps, and that is because apps on iOS are built in a different way than on Android, so unfortunately you will have to download your apps separately through the Play Store on your Redmi. So I'm gonna actually uncheck everything in here except for images, and I'm gonna transfer that because I don't need nothing more. Now we need to leave our phones like that until the transfer is complete. Once it is done, we can tap on the down button, and that is pretty much it. Everything should be transferred, everything that you have selected, of course. And that is pretty much it. Of course, the time that is needed to transfer the data depends on the amount of data that you want to transfer, that you have to transfer, of course. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.